Would you like to build a mobile applications without code? No, I'm not kidding. This is possible. We at Nocode have helped many of students build their own digital products. And did you know it's too fast? And saves a lot of time. Our students have applied their learning, and developed amazing business apps just within 2 to 4 hours. Many of them are now working in top industries, like Google, Amazon, Zomato, and as a freelancer too. Others have went on to build their own side projects, or even start their own startups. I would like to invite you to a 1-week no-code workshop plus course program, with live as well as recorded content with lifetime access, where you will learn how to build a mobile application, and also develop 7+ applications with hands-on implementation in less than 7 days, without writing a single line of code. You'll be also getting certificate of participation, and certificate of completion on completion of the course. After this workshop plus course program, you'll be able to launch your applications like e-commerce apps, task and password managers, edtech platforms, e-commerce and other business applications, and also integrate them with databases like Firebase and monetization platforms like Google Ads. Save a lot of time and money that goes with the developers by enrolling this course now. There are limited seats available, so hurry up and apply now, just only at $4.99. See you in the Course Plus Workshop program.